Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to merge and center cells. So the merging and centering function is very important if you want to center a text or a title across a certain area in your spreadsheets. For example, we could do it with this online sales tracker title. We'd like to merge it across this entire shaded row. Well, we could start with A1 if we really wanted to and go to L1. We're going to click the merge and center right here. So just to start, let's basically click it and you'll notice that it brings it right to the middle. Now when it does, it's going to merge and center everything in that range. So make sure you don't have other data in there like this product profit per item. If this was all on the same line and you merge and centered it, it would pull this to the center. And it would disproportionate compared to the data that it's referencing below. So merging and centering is very useful, very quick and easy to highlight a title, for example, across a range of data. If you want to unmerge it, you can just do the drop down, unmerge the cells. You're going to notice that when it does that though, it's going to disproportionate once again. So if you did it this way, right, if we selected A1 to L1, when you do the unmerge, it's going to put that data, originally it was in B1. That's where our online sales tracker started. But when you select a complete range of cells and merge them and then unmerge them, what it's going to do is it's going to send the data back to the first cell. So in this case, A1. We go back here. We can see that the data started in B1, right? Not A1. When we click in A1, there's nothing in our formula tab bar there. So just make sure when you unmerge and center your cells, or if you merge and center them, you're only doing a specific range, which if you unmerge them, it's not going to mess up your data and throw it into A1, for example, and cut off your title. All right, guys, thanks.